Hello everyone. This is what comes to mind when you hear the name of Pakistan. Terrorist country. Do you think so? So we change your minds today. From 2000 to 2017, Pakistan has seen very difficult situations. 2 to 3 bombings a day became the norm. Countless people were killed. Even children's schools were targeted. Countless innocent children were killed. Pakistan's army eventually won the war, but with many sacrifices. But in return, Pakistan became a terrorist in front of the whole world. Today, terrorism has been completely eradicated in Pakistan. Do you want to go to Pakistan too? So what are you waiting for? Pack your luggage today and leave for Pakistan. Without fear. You may be wondering what to do in Pakistan. So brother, Pakistan will be the only country for you where you will not feel bored for a minute. Numerous fun, historical places you will find to see. If you are still scared to go to Pakistan, you will find many videos of foreigners on YouTube who have traveled the whole of Pakistan alone. So let me give you some information if you are going to Pakistan for the first time or intend to. So you should know some useful information about Pakistan. Jaw-dropping nature, diverse cultures, and delicious food, these are but a few of the things you'll experience when you visit Pakistan. Most importantly, it's home to the most hospitable people I've met in my travels. It's no wonder more and more people want to travel to Pakistan. However, Pakistan ain't as easy to travel in as some will have you believe. But no worries, I got you. This guide was created after more than 3 visits and almost a year of travel in Pakistan. I have visited Pakistan more than any other travel blogger and traveled to Pakistan both with friends and by myself. Keep watching to learn everything you need to know about travel in Pakistan. Pakistan Basics. Pakistan is officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. A populous country in South Asia. No, it's not in the Middle East. With more than 200 million people, it's the 6th most populous country in the world. Pakistan was founded on the 14th of August 1947 after an event known as partition, when British India created the modern states of India and Pakistan. The event was bloody, its ramifications still visible today. The country became an Islamic republic in 1956. During partition, Pakistan was divided into West and East Pakistan. In 1971, East Pakistan became Bangladesh after another bloody war for independence. Although Pakistan is a young country, its history is ancient. Ruins of one of the oldest civilizations in the world, the Indus Valley Civilization, lie in southern Pakistan. Multiple conquerors and civilizations took hold in parts of modern-day Pakistan, including Alexander the Great, the Delhi Sultanate, the Mughal Empire and the British Raj. Pakistan's recent history is marred with conflict, both internal and external, most notably with India. It's struggled with military coups, terrorist attacks, war, and secessionist tensions. Its army has strengthened throughout the years as a result. It's now a nuclear power and has 6th largest standing armed forces in the world. Language in Pakistan. Myriad languages are spoken in Pakistan. Most people speak 2 or 3 languages. At least. Urdu is Pakistan's national language, as well as the language of officialdom together with English. Most middle and upper-class Pakistanis will speak some English. It's rare to find a place where absolutely no one speaks English. However, it's always good to pick up a phrase or 2 in Urdu before you visit Pakistan. Besides the 2 official languages, there are many local languages: Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, Punjabi, Patohari, Sheena, Waki, Baruchaski, etc. Every province has its own regional language, such as the aforementioned Punjabi and Sindhi. In major cities people mostly speak Urdu, but in towns and villages local languages reign supreme. Regions of Pakistan. The country of Pakistan is divided into 4 provinces and 3 territories, each with its own distinct culture and flavor: Sindh, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Baluchistan. Islamabad Capital Territory. The country's capital is also its own territory. Many tourists start their Pakistan travels in Islamabad, but I'll be honest with you, I'm not the biggest fan. The capital is far from representative of the rest of the country, and is on the verge of boring much of the time. Still, it's a comfortable and relatively developed place to rest, relax, and pick up some necessities while traveling in Pakistan. Gilgit-Baltistan Territory. When people come to Pakistan looking for mountains, this is where they end up. Also known as Northern Pakistan, the vast territory of Gilgit-Baltistan is home to 3 major mountain ranges, Himalayas, Karakoram, and Hindu Kush, as well as several of the world's tallest mountains K2, Nanga Parbat, and Rakapashi. It's by far the calmest and easiest to travel of all the country's provinces, especially for female travelers. If you're in search of nature, you're probably heading north to Gilgit-Baltistan. Azad Kashmir territory. This narrow territory to the east of Pakistan on the border with India has been disputed ever since partition, the dividing of India and Pakistan in 1947. Tensions occasionally flare up between the Pakistani military and the Indian military, and so the territory was off limits to foreign travelers for a long time. As of 2019, the territory has opened up slightly, though foreigners are still not allowed to go within 10 kilometers of the border, known as the Line of Control (LOC). However, you can at least visit Muzaffarabad, Mirpur, and their surrounding areas, though security forces might hassle you a bit. Hospitality. Pakistan's hospitality is renowned. In Pakistan, guests are a gift from God, and many people are honored to treat them as such. During my travels through Pakistan, people have invited me to stay in their homes despite not knowing me at all. Slept on the floor so I could sleep in their bed. Fed me 1,000,001 times, even when they were fasting during Ramadan. Taken the time to show me around their cities, villages, regions. Gifted me everything from clothing to food to souvenirs. And then some. The hospitality is incredible, and continues to amaze me even after repeat visits to the country. However, in recent times, and due to some careless influencers, I feel some travelers are interpreting this hospitality the wrong way. Pakistan is not a place to go because everything is free. By all means, enjoy their hospitality, I sure do, but don't take advantage of it. Give back where you can. You can give people small tips, maybe 20 to 50 rupees, if they do something to help you out, or if they're visibly poor but still feed you or give you things. More if they help you a lot over a period of time. Help out around the house, or buy gifts of fruits, sweets, or nuts called dried fruits in Pakistan. Meat is also a good gift for poorer people in villages. Bring small gifts from your own country or home for people who host you. Think postcards, sweets, trinkets, etc. Sometimes people will not accept, but it doesn't hurt to offer. If it's a matter of pride over money, you can always give a little financial gift to the kids, or leave money somewhere in their house where they'll find it. So that was some basic information for you. If you plan to go to Pakistan now. So subscribe to my channel so you've got to watch every new informative video.